Halo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sekarang now I want to continue about new concept chapter 7 title Too Late. The plane was late and detectives were waiting at airport all morning. They were expecting a valuable parcel of diamonds from South Africa. A few hours earlier, someone had told the police that thieves would try to steal the diamonds. When the plane arrived, the detectives were waiting inside the main building, while others were waiting on airfield. Two men took the parcel of plane and carried it into the customs house. Two detectives were keeping guard at the door. Two others opened the parcel. To their surprise, the precious parcel was full of stones and sands. Okay, bye bye. See you guys.